Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is to review some things that we went over the last time I was here. And I know that's been a couple weeks ago because y'all were out they closed for sickness and for spring break. But I think that you'll probably remember it. And don't forget, what was my signal word that we used?
Go.
Go. Good. So the signal will be go, and we wait until I say the signal before we answer, right? Okay. So what do I need to do to convert cups to pints? Go.
Divide.
Good job. Okay. If I want to figure out how many pints were in 2 cups, what do I need to do?
2.
Go.
2 divided by 1.
Right. Okay. Now I want you to figure that up in your head. Wait till I say the signal, and you tell me what the answer would be for that. Okay? Go. 2 divided by 1. Go. 2. Okay? And so last week, remember I had made a table up on the board, and each time we went up a cup, we went up how many in pints? Remember the table that I'd put up on the board? So each time I said that we went up 1 cup, we went up how many pints? Think about it for a minute. Go.
0.5.
Yeah, 0.5 or a half. A half of a pint.
0.5.
Yeah.
Okay.
0.5, 0.5, a half, they're all the same. Okay, so now we're going to go over some new material today. Actually, we're going to learn about lines of symmetry. And I've cut out some little shapes here so I can show you all. And I'll just stand right here so everybody can see. Okay? Now this shape that I'm holding up is a circle. Okay? And watch what happens if I fold the circle in half.
It becomes a half.
Okay?
It becomes one half of the circle.
Okay. Now let's look at the line down the middle where I folded
It's
it.
a line of symmetry because it's right down the middle.
Exactly. And we know that because both sides of the circle where I folded it are exactly the same.
They're the
Right.
same size.
This size is the same as that size. That is symmetry. Both sides are exactly the same. Okay? Now let's look at this. This is a heart. Okay? Now if I fold it vertically, up and down, right in the middle, I'll let y'all see. Are both sides of this the same?
Yeah.
The left side's exactly the same as the right side. This is symmetry. Okay?
That's the line of symmetry.
That's right.
You go straight down the middle.
Okay. This shape is a pentagon. I'm going to fold it right down the middle, vertically, straight up and down. Open it back up. And as you'll see, the left side is exactly the same as the right side. This is symmetry.
It's
Both
the
sides
line
are
of
the same.
symmetry.
That's right. Okay? Let's look at a couple more here. This is a triangle. I folded it in half.
And you made a line of symmetry.
And you'll see the left side is exactly the same as the right side. This is symmetry. Both sides are the same. And one more. Okay, I think you guys got it. But let me do one more with my square. So I folded my square in half. And if you'll look at both sides of them, they are exactly the same. Exactly.
So
This is symmetry.
So it's a line of symmetry.
Okay? Now I'm going to give you all some shapes.
Let us try.
And I'm going to let you all try. So go ahead, and I've already got these all cut out for you. Everybody has the same
I have a staple.
type of shapes in their paw. Okay? Now, and I've got me some shapes too. Okay. So now you've got your shapes. Go ahead and spread them out there so you can see them easy in front of you.
Ooh,
Okay?
I got
Now.
a pretty star.
And we all have the same shapes here. Now, what shape am I holding up, guys?
A star.
You're holding up the star.
Okay. Actually, let's do these with the signal. Okay. Let me signal you before you answer, and so everybody can answer the same. Okay, Nikolai. All right. So wait till I say the signal. What shape am I holding up? Go.
Star.
Good. Now I want you to look through your shapes that I just gave you and find your star.
Boom.
Okay. Hold that up. Okay. Now, when I give you the signal, I want you to fold it in half vertically and show me the lines of symmetry for the star. Ready? Go. Go ahead and fold that in half.
Got it.
Be careful how you fold it. Okay, because if you fold it a certain way, look.
You get this.
Are both sides of mine the same? Yeah. So show me how you do it. Good.
Did I get it good?
See?
Like this?
Put the pointy top at the top and fold it vertically like
What
that.
about an oval?
And you'll see both sides of mine are the same. We'll get to that in a minute. Show me yours.
Good.
Yeah. Fold it right down the middle. Like that. See, there's certain ways if you fold it, it won't show symmetry.
Oh, this looks like a sailboat.
See? Now, do both sides look the same, Nikolai?
Look, a sailboat.
Okay. Alright, good. Okay, now, wait till I say the signal. Now that we folded our star, do both. Does this star have symmetry?
Yes.
Go.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, wait till I say the signal. How do we know it has symmetry? Think about it for a minute. Go.
Because it has a
Because
line down the middle.
Because it has a line down the middle that makes it a line. And
Both sides are the
same.
same. Good, good. Okay, we can put that down. Now, what shape am I holding up? Think about it.
An oval.
Go.
An oval.
Oval. Very good. Look through your stack. Find your oval. Okay. Now, think about it. What do we need to check? What do we need to do to check this oval for symmetry? Think about it. Go.
Fold it.
Fold it. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that.
It has symmetry.
Okay. Let's fold it. Right down the middle.
Right there.
Does this oval have symmetry? Think about it.
Yeah.
Think about it, Marcus. Go.
Yes.
Okay. Now, think about this question. How do we know it has symmetry? Think about it. Go.
Both sides are equal.
Both sides are equal or the same, right? Okay. Now, let's get our next shape. What shape am I holding up? Go.
A sideways square.
What shape is this?
A rhombus.
Think about it. Diamond. Okay. Look
Oh.
through your shapes and find the diamond. Okay. Now,
I'm not sure, man.
what do we need to do to check this diamond for symmetry? Think about it. Go.
Fold it down
Fold
the
it.
middle.
Okay.
Already got
So
my
let's
fold.
go ahead and do that.
Mine ain't the same way as yours. Folded, but
Well, we have to make sure that we fold it correctly or it won't show line of symmetry.
like this.
So look, I want y'all to look at it. Think about this. Does this diamond have symmetry? Just think about it for a minute. Get ready. Go.
Yes.
Okay. Now, how do you know it has symmetry? Think about it. Go.
Both sides are equal.
Both sides are equal or the
Good.
same.
Good. All right. Now, what shape am I holding up?
Like
Go.
a stop octagon or something.
Octagon. We don't see this shape. Think of like a stop sign.
Yeah.
It's like an octagon,
that's
right?
But
So
some
y'all
stop
see
signs
these
ain't
every
like
day.
that, just a yellow
Okay.
sign.
So now, what do we need to do to check this octagon for symmetry?
Fold.
Think about it. We'll all answer at the same time. Go.
Fold it down the
Fold it.
middle.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do that.
Done already done.
Let me see. Let me see your all's work. Hold it up for me.
Done.
Good.
Fold it.
Okay, now think about it before we answer. Does this octagon have symmetry? Think about it. Go.
Yes.
Good. Okay. How do we know it has symmetry? Think about it for a minute. Go.
Both sides are equal.
Right. Good. Okay, and our last one.
What the?
What shape am I holding up?
Go. An octagon.
This is called a hexagon. Okay? Hexagon. Now I want you to find your hexagon in your pile. Now what do we need to do to check this hexagon for symmetry?
Fold it.
Go.
Fold it down the middle.
Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let me see yours. Y'all got it?
Finish.
Okay. Does this hexagon have symmetry?
Yes.
Think about it. Go.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, how do we know it has symmetry? Think about it for a minute. Go.
Both sides are equal.
That's right. That's good. Good job, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to let you do some on your own. Just with the shapes that you have there, I just want you to show me how you check for symmetry on all your shapes. You can start anywhere you want. See how Nikolai he's already started right here, folding his. And I'm going to check to make sure that we have the same on both sides, right? So you go ahead and do that, and I'll be checking.
Finished.
Oh, show me how you do it. Show me how you do
Do you do is fold it.
it.
Just like
Look,
this.
is both sides the same?
Like a mountain.
Exactly. Okay, so that has symmetry, right?
Finished.
Okay, just a minute, Marcus, and I'll check with Nicola. Let me see. Good. Yeah, both sides are the same. See? That's right. Depending on how you fold it. Because look at this. See this? What if I had took this hexagon and folded it this way?
It had two lines of symmetry.
Are both sides going to be the same
No.
if I folded it that way?
It'd be like this.
Exactly. But so this would not have symmetry if we divided it this way, right? But if we
Let me see.
divided it this way, we now show symmetry, right?
Mm-hmm.
See? Let me see yours. Okay, yeah, I was checking too. Let me see some of yours. Okay.
It's like a miniature airplane. I have a little dragon.
Where's mine?
I have a dragon. Daniel, I have a dragon.
You all have all yours done? Okay. How you doing over there? Angel's got hers done. Good job. Okay, so easy, right? Okay, so let's just review real quick, and then I'm going to let you guys play a game. Okay? Actually, yeah, let's go ahead and do the review real quick, and then I'll go ahead and let you do the game, because I know it's going to be hard to get you all away from your laptops, okay? So, I want you to remember the signal. I'm going to give you the signal before we answer, okay? Let's do a quick review, and let's wait for the signal, okay? When both sides are exactly the same, what is that called? Think about it. Go. Symmetry. Very good. Okay. What can you do to check for symmetry? Go.
Fold it in half and see if it
Okay. Can we fold it anyway?
No.
We fold it to make sure that it's matched up right and that both sides are the same, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I take this circle
Yeah.
and I fold it like that, if I fold this circle in half, does it have symmetry? Think about it for a minute. Look, can you see?
Mhm.
Go.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so how do we know it does? Think about it. Go.
Both sides are equal.
Both sides are exactly the same. They're equal. Very good. Okay, so let me take my star here. Okay? If I fold my star like this, would it have symmetry? Think about it for a second. Go.
Yes.
Okay. And how do we know that it has symmetry? Think about it for a second. Go.
They are equal.
Both sides are equal. Both sides are exactly the same. I think you guys have it. That's a really good job. Go ahead and get your laptops. I want you to go to this website right here. We are going to play a game called Symmetry Invaders. It's related to this lesson. It's really fun. You get to defend your planet from the invaders.
Ooh,
You choose your alien, and you have to show the alien symmetry.
Oh.
So just pull up this website up here.
I'm gonna take a while because it's a lot of my daddy's instead. Nicholas caught. I'm ready.